Just 75 years ago, travelling aboard the Hindenburg Airship was the only way for passengers to fly, especially on long journeys such as across the Atlantic. An airship took about 60 hours, a liner took almost 4 days. It was 245 metres long, more than 3 times the length of a Boeing 747. Most of this was taken up with 16 vast containers full of hydrogen, which kept the craft in the air. But the carrying load was just quite small, and it only carried a maximum of 72 passengers. The framework was made out of a strong lightweight alloy made of aluminium, copper, silicon, magnesium and manganese. The outer skin was cotton fabric painted with varnish containing aluminium powder. Passengers travelled in lightweight splendour. Most furniture was made from aluminium to keep the weight down. Even the grand piano was aluminium. Paintings and maps decorated the luxurious lounge, dining room, library and smoking room. The bedrooms were small, just large enough for a bunk bed and a chair. On the 3rd of May 1937, the Hindenburg set off on its fateful last journey. Just a year after its maiden flight, it set off from Frankfurt over the south coast of England. Across the Atlantic Ocean to New York, headwinds meant that the Hindenburg arrived late, and storms made it unsafe to land immediately. Eventually the captain came in to land, but then...
It burst into flames. Wait, get it started. It's crashing terrible. Oh my, get out of the way, please. It's bursting into flames, and it's falling on the mooring mast, and all the folks between us. This is terrible. This is one of the worst catastrophes in the world. Oh, it's 400 or 500 feet into the sky.
So why did it happen? The main reason was that the Hindenburg was full of hydrogen. The framework included magnesium. The fabric covering was varnished with aluminium powder, and inside was a smoking room. The Hindenburg was a bomb waiting to be ignited. Modern commercial jet aircraft have taken over the role of airships. They travel faster and carry many more passengers than airships ever did. A Boeing 747 can carry just over 500 passengers. An Airbus A380 can carry over 850. On that thought, back to studio.